Hi everyone! Yesterday I started new site. Today I'll continue it. I made homepage in light color and start page technology. Today I'll make other pages, service, case study, etc. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I worked closely with the dev team in preparation for the upcoming network launch. So tested the route planning and drone charging utilities, and today I have a call with the route planning service provider Grad regarding the pricing and some other technicalities. So I'll keep it posted and stay tuned with the network launch that is going to happen tomorrow. And this is it guys, thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday, main focus was the DAV community bot, making sure that that was running and then officially launching it as well. So far, it's been a pretty good success. And today, the main focus has been doing a lot of different email campaigns around different segments. Also continuing to do some work around that community bot, making sure that all the questions are being answered and it's running smoothly as well. Thanks everybody. Have a great one.
Hey guys, so today we're working on making the demo for the SkySense staging work. The demo is tomorrow, so wish us luck guys.
Hey there Davers! So we are focusing on the network launch this week. Yesterday we finished our testing on the Robston test network, and today the team is deploying everything to the Ethereum mainnet. I'm actually in Istanbul right now on my way to Berlin, where I'll be meeting with one of our partners, SkySense. We'll be doing tomorrow a full mission of negotiating a charge, charging a drone, paying for it in cryptocurrency, and catching it all on video. It's going to be really exciting, really fun, and I'm going to have a lot more for you then. See you tomorrow.
Hi everybody. Today we are going to make a team effort to move our environment to the mainnet of Ethereum, and hope it goes well. And tomorrow we're going to do a demo on the mainnet. That's it for today. Bye.